See the 10th example. 5 upon 12 and 1 upon 6. Here is 5 upon 12. Here is 1 upon 6. Now let's see first the denominator. Here is 12. Here is 6. Is it denominators are same? No. Now see the numerator. Here is 5. Here is 1. Is it numerators are same? No. Here denominators also not same. Numerators also not same. So now we, as here what happened, this unlike fraction we have to make it like. Yes, how to make? So here we have to make the denominator equal. We have to make the denominator same. But how to make? See here. Here is what? 12. Here is what? 6. Now is it in 12 table 6 is there? Is it in 12 table 6 is there? No. Now is it in 6 table 12 is there? Yes. 6 2s are 12. Yes. So now I am taking this fraction 1 upon 6. As we know 6 2s are 12. So I am going to multiply by 2 to the both side, numerator and denominator. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Okay, now we get the denominator 12. So this 5 upon 12 we have to write as it is. Now 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 convert into 12 upon 2 upon 12. 2 upon 12. So here we get the equal denominator. Now compare the numerator. Here is 5, here is 2. Here is 5, here is 2. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? 5 is bigger. Yes, as 5 is bigger, so this whole fraction is bigger one. So 5 upon 12 is bigger than 2 upon 12. Understood everyone? Now see the 11th one. 7 upon 8 and 14 upon 16. Is it here denominators are same? No. Is it numerators are same? No. Now we have to make the denominator same. We have to make the denominator same. Now here is 8, here is 16. Is it in 8 table 16 is there? Yes. Is it in 8 table 16 is there? Yes. 8 2s are 16. As we multiply by 2 we get the 16. So now I am taking this fraction 7 upon 8 and multiply by 2. Okay. So 7 2s are 14 and 8 2s are 16. Yes. So 7 upon 8 we have converted into 14 upon 16. Okay. And this fraction is what? 14 upon 16 only. So which symbol will come in the bracket, in the box? Yes. Equal. As these both fractions are same, the equal symbol will come in a box. Understood everyone? See now 12th one. 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9. Yes, which symbol will come? Equal. So you can write this example yourself. Now I am going to take a 13th one. So see the 13th one. 5 upon 18 and 1 upon 9. Is it denominators are same? No. Is it numerators are same? No. So it is also unlike fraction, but this unlike fraction we have to make it like. We have to make it like. Now 18. Is it in 18 table 9 is there? No. Is it in 9 table 18 is there? Yes. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So now I am taking this fraction 1 upon 9 and I am going to multiply by 2 to the both side, numerator and denominator. So 1 2s are 2 and 9 2s are 18. Okay. So now this 5 upon 18 as it is. And so this 1 upon 9 convert into 2 upon 18. 1 upon 9 convert into 2 upon 18. Now we get the denominator same. 18 18. Compare the numerator 5 and 2. Which one is bigger? 5 is bigger. So this whole fraction is bigger. So 5 upon 18 is bigger than 2 upon 18. Understood everyone? This 13th one example. So here we complete this 13th example. Now 14, 15, 16 also same like that only. Compare the denominator and convert it into like fraction. So here you have to do the cross multiplication. In all 14, 15, 16 you have to do the cross multiplication process. Understood everyone? So this all examples you have to write in your CW properly, systematically. Okay, put the symbol properly in the box only. Understood everyone? So these all are the homework for you to complete the problem set 19. Now to next part I am going to explain today. So that is addition of like fraction. Very easy. Addition. Okay, see here one example. 3 upon 7 2 upon 7. It is a like fraction because denominators are same. So what is the rule here? See, when adding like fraction, we add the numerator of two fraction and write the denominator as it is. Means just we have to add the numerator. See here. Here numerator is what? 3 and here is what? 2. So just we have to add the numerator 3 plus 2 and this denominator we have to write as it is. We don't want to do addition 7 plus 7. It's wrong. Okay. Just we have to do the numerator 3 plus 2 5 and this 7 as it is. Don't do 7 plus 7. It is wrong. See here also one example this explain. 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 8. So just they doing the addition of numerator 3 plus 2 plus 1 and though here having the 3 times 8 but you have to write just one time 8 as it is. Don't do 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, just simply addition of numerator. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 6 upon 8. So it is a very easy addition of the fraction. So let's see the next problem set. So see again one rule is here. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. So see if your answer will come 6 upon 6. So what is their meaning? 1 is there. As we divide 6 by 6, 6 ones are 6. So answer will come 1. Okay, when both numerator and denominators are same number, then what is the answer is 1. Okay, so now let's see the problem set 20. See what is the first question is add. Okay, simple addition. So let's see the first one how to solve. So see the first example problem set 20. First one what it is? 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. First see the denominator. Both are same. So it is a like fraction. When like fraction are there, so first you write denominator as it is. Okay, first you write the denominator as it is and just do the addition of numerator 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? 4 upon 5. Oh, and finish. Understood everyone? So just simply you have to do the addition of numerator. 1 plus 3 is 4 and this 5 you have to write one time. Some students are thinking as we are doing the addition of numerator we have to do the denominators addition also. No. Okay. So 1 plus 3 and don't do 5 plus 5. It's wrong. Okay. So 1 plus 3 as it is and just you have to write one time denominator as it is. Understood? See the next one. See the second one same like that only. As here denominators are same, write first one time denominator. Now numerators addition 2 plus 4. So what it is? 6 upon 7 over. Now see the third one. Here also denominators are same. So write one time first. Then do the addition of numerator 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is 9 upon 12. Understood everyone? Now see the fourth one. Same like that only. As here having the same denominator, write it one time. Okay. And 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is what? 9. So 9 upon 9. See here. So see here. As here we get the 9 upon 9. Means numerator and denominators are same. So then what we get the answer is 1. So that is 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. Understood? See the fifth one. Okay. Denominators write one time. Now 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 means what? 7. So answer is 7 upon 15. Understood? See the sixth one. As the though here have the 3 fractions. Okay. But check the denominator. Is it same? Yes. Okay. So out of 3 write 1 7 only. Now do the addition of numerator. 2 plus 1 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So answer is 6 upon 7. Understood everyone? Okay. So here we have completed these examples up to 6. Now 7th, 8th, 9th you have to solve yourself. Understood everyone? Very easy simple addition is there. So complete the problem set 19 and 20. From 20 just you complete this question 1. This word problem I will take in a next period. Understood everyone? So up till now you have to complete your CW properly. Again one thing, tables. Every day learn the tables 2 to 20 because for oral exam we are going to ask tables orally to everyone. Okay, so that is the important for you, which is need for exam. So learn the table every day, everyone. Understood everyone? Okay, so I think everyone have understood this today's part and homework. Okay, thank you.